This. Hello? Okay, Mr. Scribbles. Oh, I need something. I really need Ryan's toy egg. We didn't have it for a little bit of time.
Can we have it?
Okay, when is it gonna come? Soon? Okay, thank you.
Welcome to EA and PRIM Ryan's World Egg Toy Review.
Hey, Prim. Bubbles is gonna drop us a Ryan's toy egg.
I didn't have Ryan World Egg before. Let's try it.
Hear that, guys? It's here.
Let's open it. Let's open the door and let's see if it's Mr. Scribble.
Thank you, Mr. Scribbles. And thank you for the egg.
Yeah.
Let's bring it here.
This giant mystery egg, the largest item from Ryan's World toy line.
Hello, guys. My name's EA.
And my name is Prim. This is Mr. Scribble delivery. One toy egg.
Let's open it.
Yeah. Brings the surprise and unboxing element of the popular Ryan's Toys Review YouTube videos into kids' home. Oh no, Mr. Scribble's fault.
Epic fail.
I'm sorry, Mr. Scribble. Let's open it. Let's smash it open.
Okay, guys, let's smash it.
Oh, there's a car.
Look, we smashed the egg open,
And there's
many things inside.
a car. Wow. Some car
Nice. Look, what's the unbox first?
Let's open the first one.
Okay, let's see what's the first one. Squishy car.
It might feel of water. This squishy toy have a water inside. Let's open the second one.
This is the second toy.
That's Caveman Ryan. Let's open the third one.
Okay, let's open it. Wow, what is this? It's
It's
another sibling.
Check it out.
Ryan.
That's a skater Ryan. Do you know what is the name of this combo panda? Write in the comment section below.
Oh, guys, are you ready to open this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need parents' help. Whoa. This is Ryan's mom. Prim opened Ryan's mom.
Wow, what is this?
Guys, look, there's 4 cartoons in here. And there are Alexandro, Dragon Ryan, and Coco Panda.
What do you want to choose?
Maybe I want to choose Mo.
I'll choose these two. Perfect. Where do you want to put it?
I'm going to put it on here.
And the other one. On the other one.
And the other one will be right over here.
That's what I thought it was a tattoo, but it wasn't. They were stickers.
Yeah, but it was because they like it as a tattoo.
I'll put them here. What's this mean? SK8. Does anybody know what is SK8 mean? So what does it mean? Skate, hate, or rate? What is it called?
I think it's 8.
Tell me on EA and PRIM Facebook page. What is it? 4 surprise left. Should we open it?
Let's open the last one.
3, 2, 1. Wow! There's a car!
It has a car inside.
It fits! Wow!
Once upon a time, Ryan was skating on the road until he tripped. Until Ryan's mom came. And then Ryan called Ryan's mom.
Ryan's mom said, "Are you okay?"
And Ryan said, I'm not okay.
No, Prim.
He said, I'm okay. I'm okay.
And then there was an ice cream truck coming by at the road, so Ryan wanted to get ice cream.
Mommy, let's just buy ice cream. Okay.
Then they got ice cream.
I have my favorite ice cream.
Yes. And they gave him his favorite ice cream.
What is favorite ice cream?
I think it's popsicle.
Mommy and Ryan had fun eating their ice cream. Mommy said it's time to go home.
His mom told him that be careful on the roads, and he said, okay. Then they went home. This is like a story, right? Yeah. Mommy, by the way, thank you guys for watching. Sorry.
Tagalog time!
Basic words.
Hi kids around the world! Are you ready for our first word?
Yeah.
This is a surprise egg. English, egg. Tagalog, itlog. Say it again.
Igloo.
Now it's your turn. Itlog. Are you ready for our second word?
Yeah.
Let's do it. English, surprise. Tagalog, sorpresa. Say it again.
Surpresa. We did it, guys. Good job. Learning complete. See you on the next video. Mabuhay Shout!
Hi, Carl from Lopez, Quezon. Hi, Ethan from Imos, Cavite. Hi, Amber from Lopez, Quezon. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you liked the video, guys. Please check our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Please and thank you.
Bye. Hi, my name is EA.
Hi, my name is Prim.
And welcome to our channel. Today, we will be unboxing a new toy. Guess what it is?
Yeah.
It's gonna appear in 3, 2, 1.
Wow, what is happening? A bicycle! It's a bicycle!
I'm excited to unbox this.
Yeah.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
I think these cars are voice activated. Forward! They are slow. So, should we play with it now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go outside.